My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. I have written 10 books. Today we will discuss about the Islam and its follower, which is known as the Muslims. What is the topic of this video and what is the aim of this video? The aim of this video is not to insult anyone, not to uh, not to defend anyone also. We are not going to defend such ideology which is known as the Islam, that Islam is good thought process or the good theology. Rather, it is a very, very vibrant, very, very violent, or it creates a nuisance and violence among not the Muslims but the non-Muslims also. So our topic is, even a single true Muslim who offers 5 times salat or namaz and following the exact Islam or teaching of Muhammad, he is perfect terrorist. So which leaders of India are making alliance with Muslims? They are providing the terrorism to those countries, and these are the greatest enemies of the non-Muslim people. So first we will discuss about the India. Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, the president of the Samajwadi Party, only the UP president, because Samajwadi Party nowhere in India except UP. This is a local party. Mr. Akhilesh Yadav formed a PDA, Pichhada Dalit Alpsankyak, and in sense of the minorities, only the Muslims are on the pinpoint of Akhilesh Yadav. There is nothing tribal in this PDA because only scheduled caste in this PDA. Means this Akhilesh Yadav is trying to correlation with the Muslims, though the Islam and the Quran prohibited the relationship with Muslims, because in Quran so many verses stated that no non-Muslim can be a friend of the Muslim, because every non-Muslim is filthy, whether they are Chandrasekhar Raman or the Mayawati or the Akhilesh Yadav. They are filthy in sense of the Quranic ideology or the Muhammadi ideology, which is known as Islam also. So my dear friend, when Islam allows the killing of the all non-Muslims, or allows the rape with the non-Muslim women, and allow the kidnapping or the loot of the non-Muslim women, as it is certified in Islam as a male ganimat, means robbery, all the criminal activities of Islam, that is the robbery, that is the robbery, that is the killing of the non-Muslims, rape with the non-Muslim women after capturing them in war. The people stated so many times who are defending the Islam that this is only in the time of the war that a non-Muslim woman can be kidnapped or the capture as a war captive and can be treated as a Malika Yamin or the sex slave, and there is no need any permission to that woman when she is under the captiveness of the Islamic goons, that is Muslim or Musalman in Hindi. So my dear friend, when Islam allows the killings and the war is always continue. Those are pretending that it in only the war the Muslim woman, a Muslim man can rape the non-Muslim woman. No, war jihad asgar is always continue against the non-Muslims. Every movement of a Muslim is consuming for the jihad asgar, means Islamic Gunism against the non-Muslims. Then If Islam allows the killing and rape of the non-Muslim women after captive in war, that this is also the violation of the United Nation Organization Charter, that no male captive would be killed in the capacity as a war captive or war captive. Yes, war captive or the prisoner, war prisoner. Then this Islam is how cruel and brutal that Islam allows the war captive women with the molestation, the rape which was committed by so-called Prophet Muhammad. So many instances he captured the women and raped with them, as Maria al-Kibatia, who was gifted, and Muhammad has a illicit relation with Maria al-Kibatia or the Mary the Copt. This is another instance that the people say that no Muslim man, no Muslim woman can do intercourse without any nikah. But when Mary the Copt converted as a Muslimah or the Islam, and Muhammad did not marry her, and he was the keep or the sex slave of the Muhammad. This is why, according to Islam, she is not the wife of the Muhammad. So Muhammad did zina or the fornication, means which are illicit relation, adultery. So Muhammad was full of all the criminal activities as adulteries, fornication, pedophilic, who enjoyed the sex with the young woman or young child, not the woman, as Juwairiya, Safiya, and even 9 years old Aisha bint Abu Bakr was intercoursed by Muhammad in the age of 9, and when he was on 50 years old. This is the character of Muhammad. So, which Muslim is living with you in your neighborhood and offering the 5 times salat or namaz, or following the teaching of the Muhammad, because there is no Allah at all? Certainly, he is dangerous to you. And all the non-Muslim people who are living in the neighborhood of the Muslims, they are in danger. Even a single Muslim is dangerous to the society, to the non-Muslims, to the human values or social status. Because a single Muslim, if he is a true Muslim, he is the perfect terrorist. What silent feature of the terrorism or a terrorist? A terrorist can kill you without any cause, because you are not following the ideology of that terrorist. Many of people which are non-Muslims cannot follow the ideology of the Islam due to its Buddhism or the hooliganism or the false aspects and provoking the violence activity. So a peaceful person, a civilized person cannot adopt the Islam. But this is the main cause of the fight against the non-Muslims by the Muslims, because they want that every person will be Muslim. Otherwise, due to this, so many verses of Quran stated that a non-Muslim can be killed by the Islamic sword or the Islamic gun, which are being sent by so-called Allah. Allah is a fallacy. These goons or the goons were converted as a goons by Muhammad, who were the first Jews or Christian who converted to Islam. So Muhammad created a hooliganism and created a group of the goons or gang of the goons, which is known as Muslims. So those leaders, even the new Buddhist or the Dalit of India, Chandrasekhar Raman, if they are making alliance with the Muslims only the vested interest to gain their votes. They are also a terrorist. All the people which are Hindus, Christian or Jews, political leaders or the religious leaders, as Murarji Bapu, Asaram Bapu, etc., if they are preaching the Islam as a Rampal Maharaj, a goon of the society, they are terrific, terrible terrorists in disguise of as a Hindu, Jews and Christians. The people who are violating the United Nations Charter, that are the Muslims. Only Muslims could not follow the United Nations Charter of peace and harmony. So Islam is totally against the peace and harmony, and those political leader of India or the Britain, United Kingdom, United States of America, Canada, anywhere in any country of this world, if they are making alliance with the Muslims or the Muslim parties at the Muslim League or the All India Muslim Idade Muslimin, that is the head of the Qurbuddin Osi, Asuddin Owaisi, both due brothers. If the Chandrasekhar Raman, Rashtriya Janata Dal, even the BJP are making alliance with this Islamic terrorist, which is Asuddin Owaisi, Qurbuddin Owaisi, they are terrific enemies or foes of the non-Muslims. Even though every Muslim is a terrorist, Akbaruddin Owaisi, Asuddin Owaisi, every single Muslim who is living in the neighborhood of any non-Muslim, he is dangerous to the non-Muslims as Jews, Christian, Hindus and other non-Muslims. Because according to Islam, a Muslim cannot be cooperate with the non-Muslims. Because non-Muslims are the filthy, and they are liable to wajib qatl, means a Muslim has power to kill them by the Islamic sword. So this is the perfect Gunism of the Islam. And who is the true Muslim? All the Talibans are the true Muslims. Osama bin Laden was a true Muslim. Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi was a true Muslim. Muhammad Atta, who collided a plane with the Twin Towers in New York, was a true Muslim. Means a true Muslim means a perfect criminal due to the teaching of the Muhammad, teaching of the Islam. I would like to say repeatedly that there is no Allah. This all mastermind game or the ringmaster of this Gunism, which is known as Islam, is the Muhammad. I would not like to prefer Muhammad as a respected person. He is a rascal, stupid, and a certified terrorist. So, my dear friend, this is why the intelligent people are living the Islam throughout the world. So, our aim not to insult any Muslim, but only disclose the Islam, reality of Islam, so they can live the Islam and can go on the path of the truth and the peace and harmony, or in a civilized, as a civilized person. Because if you are Muslim, you are not civilized. You are following the barbaric Arabic ideology. With it is full of the Gunism. It is full of the rapes, killings, all the criminal activities in the sale and purchase of the woman. Muhammad did this. He sold so many Jewish tribe Banu Qurayza women on the market of the Najd. So how Akhilesh Yadav, Chandrasekhar Raman, Neo-Buddhist or Dalit can be a friend of the Muslim? When a Muslim read Quran, Muslim reads Quran. And after reading the Quran, he will follow the Islam, not the Akhilesh Yadav. And those who are saying that our leader is Akhilesh Yadav, and if he is Muslim, he is telling a lie. Either he is not a true Muslim, or he never read the Quran and Islamic jurisprudence, that the Islam totally against the friendship with non-Muslim. Even a Muslim cannot give the vote for a non-Muslim according to Quran. But these Muslims who are supporting the Akhilesh Yadav, they are not the true Muslim. By name, they are Muslim, but their deeds against the Islam, and they will be in hell according to Islam. So this is my book, Discriminated Hindu by Vijay Kumar Pal. Please read it. This is my video for you. That now, goodbye to all. Have a good day. Thank you very much to see my video.